So down the galley, Bratwurst cabbage bowl. This bowl has crispy potatoes on the bottom, creamy cabbage in the middle, and Brown Pearcy grass-fed, grass-finished, pasture-raised Angus beef bratwurst. Are you ready? So the first thing I'm going to do is my seasoning blend. I'm going to do this seasoning blend once and use it twice. It's going to go into potatoes and into the cabbage. And I want, oh good, heaping teaspoon of celery flakes. Now celery is one of their seasonings in their bratwurst, so I think this is really going to help highlight that. I'm going to do a tablespoon each. Garlic powder, onion powder, and mustard powder. I think mustard always goes great with bratwurst, and I'm just going to do about a half of a teaspoon of paprika. Pepper, I'm going to do about 3/4 of a teaspoon. I am doing my mixed pepper, you know, it's kind of my everyday pepper blend. And then 2 teaspoons of my diamond kosher salt. Next, we want to get our potatoes in the oven. Get your oven on 425 degrees. I am using like a russet potato. It's what I had, but I think a Yukon Gold would be great here as well. And I'm just going to give those a nice dice. So I have diced up 1 red pepper, half of a small yellow onion, sweet onion, red onion, pick your choice. And I'm going to toss that with my potatoes, and I'm going to use half of that seasoning blend with those as well. Now I warmed up a little tallow, and I'm going to use tallow for mine. A good tablespoon. You could also do avocado oil. Now these are going to be the base for our bowl, so we want those nice and crispy because we want our bowl to have a lot of textures. I'm going into 425 degree oven, about 35 minutes, and I'm going to sear them halfway through. And next we want to get our cabbage ready to go. When we hit that halfway mark with our potatoes, then we can start cooking our bratwurst and our cabbage, and that way everything kind of comes out together. So for my cabbage, I used the other half of that onion, and I gave it a really nice thin dice. And then my cabbage, I'm probably only going to use about half of this cabbage, maybe a little bit more, depending on the size of your cabbage, really. And then I want to cut my cabbage into ribbons. Okay, so I have 2 pans warming up down here. I'm gonna put my brats into this one. I will warm it up a little bit. I'm gonna do my brats on about medium heat. I'm also only cooking 2 of mine because it's just Billy and I have this really cool idea for the other 2 for a new recipe. For my brats, I am gonna do a little beef tallow just into the skillet, and for my cabbage, I'm gonna do a tablespoon of butter. So the first thing I'm going to go in with is my onions, and I just want to give them a couple of minutes. Now I have a little beef broth here just in case I might need it if my pan gets really dry for my bratwurst, or if my pan gets really dry for my cabbage. So I have that on hand in case I need it. So now that I have a little color on my onions, I'm going to add my cabbage. And I'm going to add the remainder of that spice blend that we made. So I am going to add a little beef broth here because it does seem already a little dry. And while I'm at it, I'm just going to add a little in here. The steam will be good for them as well. Now, as we start getting close to the end here, I'm going to do just a couple teaspoons of apple cider vinegar just for some acidity in there. And then I want a couple teaspoons of Dijon mustard. And then I think this is optional if you wanted to leave the dairy out, but I'm going to do about 3 tablespoons of heavy cream and let that finish. And let that cream thicken up in there. I think that Dijon and the cream is just going to work so well together. And now it's time to build our bowl. On the bottom, potatoes. Next up, that amazing cabbage that we made. Now, can you make these and eat them all separate? Of course you can. And to me, this is like a bowl full of comfort. So now, the absolute star of the show, this Brown Pearcy bratwurst to put on top. And I have to say, I think, the flavor. You have never had bratwurst taste this good. It's so amazing. Pasture raised, grass fed, grass finished. I mean, beautiful Prime Angus beef bratwurst cabbage bowl. I'll see y'all later. Bye.